Hey guys, AJ with Relentless Racing. Welcome back to the channel. We just hit 5,000 subscribers and that is incredible. Thanks so much to everyone that has joined me along my automotive journey. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification button. Have you guys seen those Formula One ghost car videos? I think they were pretty cool. My editing skills aren't good enough to do a ghost car, but what about a split screen? In this split screen video, I share Project Silver with Miata Time Attack racer, Frankie Ho. Frankie not only is super cool, but also he's an exceptional sounding board for discussing data, driver techniques, and racing lines. It was my honor to share Project Silver with Frankie Ho. Before you watch this split screen, 1. Realize that Frankie and I are using different braking and shifting schemes, and you may have to watch the video a few times to actually see the differences. 2. We're using similar lines, but a small variation in line can make a difference in lap time. 3. You could periodically stop the video and see who's in the lead and by how much. Lastly, who do you think is going to be faster, Frankie or me? Please leave your answers in the comments. If you choose Frankie, I hate you. So what's up with Frankie breaking my transmission? I'm just kidding. Frankie didn't break that transmission, it was broken before he even got into the car. The C56 has done pretty well considering I've been beating the crap out of her for 3 years on track. So for the next time, what should I replace my C56 with? Should I go with a 6-speed? Should I go with an LSD? And if so, which LSD should I go for? Please leave your answers in the comments. In the end, Project Silver is a stock MRS with wheels, tires, suspension, and safety gear. So if you aren't bringing your MRS to the track, you're really missing out. If you have any questions about tracking your MRS, either leave it in the comments or send me an email at shoprelentlessracing@gmail.com. This is AJ with Relentless Racing. Stay relentless, and I'll see you on the track.